How can an old warplane born in the 1980s be revitalized in the information battlefield of the 21st century? The answer given by China's aviation industry is the JH-7A2, which has been transformed into a new fighter bomber. This fighter bomber, which has been deeply improved on the basis of the JH-7A, not only extends its service life to 2030, but also reshapes its combat power with 4.5 generation technology standards, becoming a low-altitude blade for the defense of China's sea borders. From the initial only perform tactical surprise missions, to now have the ability to strike accurately outside the defense zone, JH-7A2 Metamorphosis Road reflects the wisdom of China's aviation equipment iterative upgrading. As China's first independently developed twin-engine, two-seat supersonic fighter bomber, the JH-7 series has been tasked with sea-to-ground strikes since its inception. The newly improved JH-7A2 has realized a key breakthrough in the field of power system through the comprehensive upgrade of changing heart, changing brain and strengthening bones. The aircraft abandons the imported engine and is fully equipped with domestic turbofan 9B aircraft engine, which increases the thrust to 10.2 tons, improves the thrust-to-weight ratio by 10% and reduces the fuel consumption by 15%. This not only extends the maximum range to 3,800 kilometers, but also significantly extends the engine trouble-free operation time from 500 hours to 800 hours, shortens the maintenance cycle by 30%, and significantly improves the attendance efficiency. The independent control of the power system allows the troops to completely get rid of the neck risk. Any technical adjustments can quickly respond to the leap from can be used to good use, which is a vivid portrayal of the maturity of China's aviation industry system. The intelligent transformation of avionics system is also remarkable. While retaining the main structure of the JL-10A, Divine Eagle, radar, the resolution has been upgraded by 40% through the upgrading of the signal processing system, and together with the third-generation infrared imaging optoelectronic pods, the precise detection range has been extended from 25 kilometers to 40 kilometers. The new electronic warfare pod can simultaneously interfere with 4 threatening targets with regional electromagnetic suppression capabilities. This soft kill means combined with low-altitude surprise defense tactics, greatly enhancing the battlefield survival rate. The intelligent transformation of the digital flight control system allows the fighter to increase its response speed by 20%, and with the new data chain system, it perfectly integrates into the system combat network, evolving from a single combat to a key node of group intelligence and coordination. The innovation of weapon system makes this heavy hammer in the air more lethal. 9 tons of amazing ammunition capacity with the addition of external points, so that the beast mode, under the firepower density increased by 38%, not only can mount 4 KF-98A stealth air-to-ground missiles to carry out precise pointing, but also can carry 100 high-explosive bombs for the face kill. In particular, the range of 500 kilometers of a KF-98A missiles, the use of multi-pronged stealth design, circular probability of error of only 0.1 square meters, with 1,000 kilograms of ground drilling warheads, can penetrate 6 meters of reinforced concrete fortifications. More noteworthy is its modular ammunition configuration, 30 anti-tank terminal bombs, and laser-guided bombs in a flexible combination, so that a single aircraft can be completed on the 12,000 square meters of area fire coverage. This precision strike plus saturation attack, dual capacity, so that the JH-7A2 has become a landing operations and island scramble, door-breaking tool. The ability to strike the sea has also realized a qualitative leap. The mounted Hawk 8-3K airship missile range exceeds 250 kilometers, with the upgraded JL-10A radar anti-jamming capability, can be in a complex electromagnetic environment to lock 10 sea targets and attack 2 at the same time. The Eagle 91 supersonic anti-radiation missile to Mach 3 speed breakthrough, 100 kilograms combat unit, can paralyze the enemy radar position. For the follow-up strike echelon to open up electromagnetic security channel, the organic combination of hard destruction and soft kill makes JH-7A2 have complete air defense and suppression capabilities, completely changing the previous mode of combat that relies solely on surprise defense. Facing the complex air defense system and modern battlefield, JH-7A2 builds up a three-dimensional protection network through active defense plus passive evasion. KG-800 large electronic jamming pod adopts digital intelligent jamming technology, which can implement full band suppression and precise positioning jamming, and its power density is increased by 300% compared with its predecessor, which can effectively fight against advanced air defense radars such as S-400, etc. Low-altitude surprise defense system integrates terrain tracking radar and digital map, which supports 50M ultra-low-altitude sea-skimming flight. The low-altitude surprise defense system integrates terrain tracking radar and digital map, supports 50-meter ultra-low-altitude sea-skimming flight, and combined with the new photoelectric countermeasure system, it can reduce the probability of detection by 70%. The optimization of the maintenance system also enhances the sustained combat capability. The modularized design shortens the replacement time of key systems by 40%, and the concept of maintenance according to circumstances, together with the intelligent diagnosis system, increases the operational readiness rate to over 90%. This guarantee mode of quick repair, immediate input, ensures that the warplane maintains a high-intensity mobilization rhythm and fierce confrontation, and the average annual flight hours of a single aircraft has increased from 180 to 250, reaching the standard of 3.5-generation warplanes. Compared with J-16 and other new fighters, JH-7A2 has a generation gap in stealth performance and situational awareness, but its unique combat value should not be underestimated. With more than 200 aircraft in service, the JH-7A2 has a quantitative advantage, and its pilot's familiarity with the platform is invaluable to its combat effectiveness, as it has always played an important role in regular patrols in the South China Sea and in the Taiwan Straits during operational readiness duty. Through the strategy of incremental improvement, the aircraft has realized 80% combat effectiveness at less than one-third of the upgrade cost of the J-16, and this affordable upgrade path provides a successful example for the transformation of old equipment. In the future systematic combat, JH-7A2 will assume the dual roles of door-kicking pioneer and firepower scavenger. Its KF-9A missiles with J-20 stealth fighters can implement the stealthy surprise defense plus long-range strike combination. Mounted electronic warfare pods can open up electromagnetic corridors for the Boom 6 and strategic bomber. This high and low with the old and the new synergistic tactical concept, not only to play the maximum effectiveness of the equipment, but also to reduce the cost of systematic combat. As shown in the Zhuhai Airshow combat formation, 4 JH-7A2, carrying ATA KF-9 ATA, can be outside the defense zone on the enemy airport saturation strike. This small to big tactical wisdom is the essence of China's military innovation. When the JH-7A2 group with new stealth missiles mounted on it broke through the defense line in a sea-skimming attitude, the Nirvana rebirth of this post-80s fighter not only showed the innovative wisdom of China's military industry in blossoming new flowers on an old tree, but also reflected the pragmatic choice under the mindset of asymmetric warfare. In the strategic window before 2030, these low-altitude Iron Horsemen, transformed by information technology, will still be the indispensable air sword to defend the sea.